What if I told you that a single event changed the course of history forever? Let's dive into the tale of a little-known incident that altered the fate of an entire nation. In 1871, a small fire broke out in Chicago, igniting a catastrophic blaze that would leave thousands homeless. But what if the fire didn't just consume homes? What if it sparked a revolution in urban planning? As the flames raged, chaos erupted. People were streaming out of buildings, desperate to escape. But amidst the panic, innovators saw potential. Architects collaborated, dreaming of a city that could rise from the ashes. By the time the smoke cleared, not only had structures been rebuilt, they transformed into towering skyscrapers, paved roads, and vast parks. Chicago became a blueprint for cities across the globe. But here's the twist. What if the fire hadn't happened? Would cities like New York and Tokyo have reached their iconic heights? What if I told you that sometimes destruction paves the way for progress? History is not just about facts, it's about choices and chances. So, what do you think would have happened if Chicago remained just a small town? Stay tuned, because history is full of these pivotal moments, and the next revelation might just change your perspective.